Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Tuesday, guys. I haven't done a Tuesday haul in a while, mainly because my Dollar Trees just didn't have anything new. But now they have a whole bunch of stuff out for spring, summer, grilling, everything, graduations, you name it, it's all out. So I did find a few more things that I wanted to pick up, and I figured I would share that with you. So let me flip my camera around over here and I'll show you what I got. Alrighty. Got a few things, not a lot of food stuff here, but I figured I always show you guys real quick what we picked up. My husband got a Welch's orange pineapple drink here, still $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. He likes all these juices and things. He also picked up a couple more of the V8. You guys know I show that stuff all the time. He picked up a Crunch Bar on the way out. You know, you gotta have a little snack. I usually eat mine on the way home, which reminds me, I picked up these, and I ate them. I love Mr. Good Bars, but they're gone. Anyway, what pudding did he get this time? Chocolate vanilla, the snack packs. I actually got 2 boxes of the Hungry Jack beef pasta. I left one out in the kitchen. I've been trying to get these for a while now. Every Dollar Tree I went to, the only ones they had were already expired. But they got some new ones in here. These don't expire until March of 2027. And this is like one of our favorite ones. So I grabbed 2 boxes of that. I got some of the Man-Wich. I always get one of each. I get the original and the bold, and we mix these together. And I just love the way it tastes with these 2 different ones. So these are really, really good. And I like to have those for a quick, easy dinner when I don't feel like doing anything. Also got a bag of original potato sticks. These are one of the hardest ones to find. They have, you know, flavored ones, which I don't care for. Oh, excuse me, but the original potato sticks, that's our favorites. I gotta grab a cough drop. My throat gets so dry when I sit in here yakking. Alright, there we go. I also picked up this 2-pound bag of the long grain rice. You guys know I use this stuff to make my dog food. I used to always get the Goya brand, but I realized that even at Walmart, I think it was $5 for the 2-pound bag, and this is still, I believe this, let me look quick here. I don't know if this is $1.25 or $1.50. Still a better deal. I don't see any difference in this. It's $1.50. I don't see any difference in this or the Goya brand or any other brand of brown rice. It's gluten-free. And this one, where do I see it on here? I don't know. I'm going to try to tell you something else here. Here we go. Grown in the USA. So there you go. So that's a good deal if you like rice. I'm not a big rice person, but you know, I make it from a doggy's stuff. I picked up this fan. I already opened it up here because I wanted to make sure it was charged a little bit so I could show it to you. This was $5. It's a collapsible desk fan, and it's rechargeable. I was going to charge it up. I put the little charging cord in it, but it already had quite a bit of a charge here, so I didn't have to charge it up. But it folds down like this. You can open it up and just all different directions, and you can put like your cell phone in here and things, and right here is your little switch. It has 3 different, it's real quiet. I don't know if you can hear it. But it has 3 different speeds, and it's really nice if you just need a little something. It says it'll run for like a full hour on a charge. So, you know, it's not something you'd want to use for all day or anything, but I'm keeping this right here in my craft room for this summer. And I think this will be great just even when I want to dry some things real quick, like paint things and stuff. But you can aim it all different directions, and then it just, let me shut it off. It just folds down to this little, I mean, you could use it like that if you wanted to, if you turned it on. But yeah, you just need to plug it into like your computer or whatever, or if you have an adapter that plugs in the wall. I have a bunch of them around the house because it seems like everything you get anymore comes with these little rechargeable cords and things. But I thought that was pretty cool for $5. So I think that's the only thing I got in the plus section. I picked these up. These are in the summer section. I'm going to give these to my granddaughter for their kids. They're these little mini piñatas. How fun are these? They're just little piñatas. I thought they would be fun. These were $1.50. But yeah, how cute are they? They had something, it might have had a pineapple or something too. I don't know, but I thought these were the cutest ones. And it has your little hole here where you fill it up with goodies and stuff. So I'm going to pass that along to them. They can use it for whatever. I picked up one of these greenery garland, it's called. I thought these were really pretty, these leaves. And I'll probably take these off of here and use them in like some... My birds are being really loud out there. I don't know if you guys can hear them. Use these in different little craft projects and things. But I really like the leaves. They're very, very pretty. And it's... I don't know, does it say how long it is? No. I don't want to open it up right now because I want to put it away with my stuff. No, it doesn't say. Making sure I'm not missing anything. Nope. It just says greenery garland. But I'm thinking it's maybe like 3 feet, 4 feet maybe. I'm not sure. But I thought the leaves were just really super pretty. I don't have anything in any order in this basket here of stuff. Oh, I did pick this up. My husband wanted another one of these. He likes this glass cleaner. He uses it on the glass on our pellet stove to keep that nice and clean. I've never tried it, but he says it works really, really good. It's just scrub-free glass cleaner. But yeah. So he picked up one of those. I grabbed one of these. I haven't seen these before. It's called a strainer scoop. I thought that would be really cool for different things. Yeah. So they have a few different odds and ends coming in. This was the only color they had in it. I don't know if they make these in any other color. But it's a pretty good, you know, firm size thing. I gotta go see what my dogs are barking at. I will be right back. Okay, there's a repair truck parked outside for somebody across the street, I guess, having some work done. And of course, my dogs are going cuckoo. Yeah, but anyway, I thought this was really cool. I could use this for all kinds of things. You could even use this to rinse off fruits, vegetables, scoop things out, whatever. I don't know, I'm going to add that to my collection of things. Let's see, what other things I got in here? I picked these up. I like to use these for like little gift baskets for kids and stuff too. Just these fun little projects to do. This one is, it's like dinosaurs and things that you make. It has all these million little pieces here. That'll keep them busy for a good long time. I think they want to make some of these cute little things. I think it has like little pack of stuffing in here. Everything. Yeah, it does. See, it shows you right there when you're filling it up. So it has everything in there. So I picked up that one. This is different, right? Yes, okay. I picked up this one. This one's like a mermaid and an octopus. I thought that would be fun. And again, it has all your things in there that you need. It even comes with the needle and stuff. So that's pretty cool. And then this one's dinosaurs again, too. But how cool is that? Something to keep them busy on a rainy day or whatever. So I will pass them along too. I picked this up, you know, where they have all the decals and things. But I like these wall decals. They're 4 peel and stick decals. There's 4 different ones on here. And I picked up 2 of each. I thought these were so pretty. Look how pretty. So pretty. Yeah, I picked up 2 of these. Not sure what I want them for, but I'm pretty sure these have, I don't want to peel these. Yeah, it has the nice clear background, so you won't see the edge of that. Yeah, I like these a lot. They have them like going this way over a bed and stuff, but I think I'd rather have them like, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. But I just grabbed them because I thought they were real pretty. But I'll put them somewhere. I might put them right in here. I like having pretty things in here in my craft room. I grabbed a couple more of these hand sanitizers. They have tons of these now. They had, I don't know, probably 8 cases, like some at the registers, some in the health and beauty aisle. But they have lots of these now. I got the watermelon scented and sugar pistachio scented. I love these things. I have them hanging on my purse all the time, no matter where I go. And then they always have a lot of the cases, but I picked up a green one. I didn't have a green one, so I picked up a case too. But yeah, I love, this one smells really good. My favorite one is the cherry one that they had, but I don't know if that was just out for like Christmas season or whatever, but that cherry one smells so nice. I grabbed a couple of oven mitts here because I can't find any that are holiday themed, but I figure these will go good with like red, white, and blue for the summer. So I got these. I still need the smaller ones. I like these for when I'm dumping out my big pots and stuff, so the steam's not, you know, trying to attack my wrists and things. So I always like to have a couple of these around. But these are nice, heavy oven mitts. I like them a lot. But of course, I didn't have the little square ones either. I picked up a couple of these for like the holidays this summer, for, you know, Memorial Day, Labor Day, 4th of July, all that good stuff. This one just says Stars and Stripes. I love these little towels. And then these towels feel much heavier than they used to. They really do. So that's a good thing. I got that one, and this one says Oh My Stars. I thought that was real cute. So I can hang these up out there. My other ones, I have my watermelon ones that I got the other day hanging in my kitchen now, but you know, they'll probably be dirty by then, and I'll throw them in the wash and hang these up for, you know, the holidays. I also picked up this table runner. I don't know if I've ever seen these table runners before, or if this is new. It's just like a plastic table runner, but they're real pretty. That's what it looks like here. And they are 11 by 60 inches. So that'll be perfect. I think I'll put that on my coffee table in my living room, just for the holiday time. So that's nice. And then I picked up, you guys know I always grab something with the beads. I love the wooden beads. The ones that are painted is a bonus because you don't have to paint them. But these are, oh, it doesn't say. Nothing says how long anything is. But anyway, real nice. Has this nice little heart with the flag on it. And then this side has a nice little tassel with some gingham ribbon. So pretty. That's like a jute string tassel. And you know, you can just cut these off and take these beads off and use them for whatever. I've used them for like little legs on the bottom of, you know, little stands I've made, and you know, cutesy things like that, or whatever you want to use them for, or just leave them the way they are. They're pretty. I grabbed a couple more of the paintbrushes, my favorite ones. These are the hardest ones to find. They seem to be missing a lot when I go to Dollar Tree, but these are the 1-inch paintbrushes. I love Dollar Tree's paintbrushes. I've used these. I tell everybody that every time I get them. I use them for years and years and years. I've painted everything in my house with these Dollar Tree brushes. They're wonderful. I love them. So got 2 more of those. And I actually picked up 3 of these. Now these I think are smaller. And of course I don't have one handy here. There's one buried back there. I think these might be smaller little candle holders than the ones I have. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm dreaming. Can I get... No, that's... Where did I have them? I have a bunch of them decorated up. I don't know. I have things... I have my round ones here. I don't know. Somewhere in this room. But I love to, you know, paint these, put a little, you know, decoupage napkin stuff on there, whatever. And then you can use them like to store paintbrushes in, or pens or pencils, or anything. They're just, you know, really fun to decorate and do things with, or just use them as a candle holder. But I like these to decoupage them. I thought I had one in here. No, there's one up there, but it has wax in it. I have my wax burner in here, and every time the wax starts to melt a little, it's the kind that you put over a candle. So when the scent starts to go away, I dump out some of the wax that's on the top, and I always dump them into one of these, and you could use it over again if you wanted to for a candle. But that is it. That is what I picked up this trip. Hopefully I'm going to get back out this week. We don't have too much going on, enough, but hopefully I'll get back there before Friday. So let me clear this stuff out of here. I'll go grab Little P so he can come in and visit, and I'll be right back. All right, here's Little P. Yes, I got your peanut in my hand. He stalked me all the way down the hallway here. Here you go. Oh, and now you don't want it. You know what? You're making me cuckoo today. You don't want your peanut? I know, it's almost your sleepy time. I know. I can never get this video done in time where you're wide awake. Some days. You want me to open it? Here. That's good. Want some? No? You must be sleepy. Yeah, you're making your little chirp chirp. Oh, you tired, Pay. I'm sorry. Were you getting ready to take a nap? You don't want no peanut? No, I'll eat it. I love peanuts, so... You know, there goes my dog again. I'll tell you, now that it's springtime and people are outdoors, I pretty much have to keep my shade down in the living room. Otherwise, my little Chihuahua Layla, she likes to lay on back of the couch and let everybody know that this is her house. Huh. Yeah, everybody. You really don't want a peanut? I'm shocked. You haven't had one in a while. Last week, maybe? You really don't want one? Just not a good one? I think it's good. I don't finish eating it. No. Alright. He's only got 1 foot. That's what he does when he's tired. He usually puts 1 foot up underneath his feathers. Oh my goodness, you're sleepy. I'm so sorry. Is Mama keeping you awake? Do you want to go back out on your house and go sleep? Yeah. He was sitting on top of his cage there until I opened the peanut container, and then they all got everybody's attention, huh? Everybody wanted a peanut, except you. Oh my goodness, Layla. If she doesn't stop barking today, I'm going to lose my mind. What do you think? I know we're not usually in here on a Tuesday anymore. There just hasn't been anything for me to do. I gave up on my local Dollar Tree because they just, I don't know what is up with them. Maybe I'll try there again. I haven't been there in a while, but I'll tell you what, I gave them like a month and a half and the same boxes were still sitting there full of stuff, and I don't know what was in them, but they weren't on the shelves because they were pretty much bare. Huh. Yeah. Oh my, look how sleepy he is. He's falling asleep. Shh, let's be quiet. Oh my goodness. I can't believe you're going to sit here and fall asleep. Are you sleepy? Close your eyes. Go sleep. His eye on this other side here is closed. Oh, that one's closed now. Nope. You're funny. You're so toxic. I'm so sleepy, man. Leave me alone. There you go. Pull your foot up. Can you imagine trying to sleep like that? Just standing around and you get tired. Just pull up 1 foot and go to sleep. Huh? What do you think? Is that what everybody should do? Just pull up a foot and go to sleep. Wherever you're standing. Huh? He's like, well, if you'd shut up, stop talking to me, I'd go to sleep. Well, P, I think I'm going to let everybody go because I think you need to go take your nap. Yeah, look at you, those squinty eyes. Oh, you heard something. That opened your eye. What'd you hear? I don't know. Oh my gosh, you're so sleepy. Oh, so sleepy, boy. Why are you so sleepy? I don't know. All right. Well, to everybody, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. It's nice here today. And we will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, P.